it's Raquel Bowman here, and today I'm really excited to be unboxing the November hit kits with you. I'm going to be unboxing and sharing with you today the embellishment kit, the main kit, and then I also have a paper and a cardstock add-on as well. So I'll begin with the embellishment kit, and there are in these kits some exclusive goodies which are always exciting, available as well, which I just love. So let's have a look. So these are some exclusive puffy stickers. I love that these are a 6x12 sheet, and the theme or the collection is called Home Sweet Home, and it's by Kim Watson, and they're just some really beautiful floral images and homely feel type sentiments as well. So there's those. I'll show you nice and close as well. Then what's included is a beautiful foil foam letter thicker pack, and these are a similar size to ones that I've adored in the past, except they're all capital letters, which I think is just perfect, and lots of numbers as well. So there's those. Then there are some enamel dots. These are from the Coffee Collection by Echo Park, and I really like that there's 6 of the smaller dots. So these are sort of just a nice range of sort of fall type colours. Excuse me. Then we have some envelopes. There are 4 in the pack, and they're Heidi Swap ones, and I'll pull out a couple of them just so that you can see. So there's this mustardy colour, this pink one, great for hidden journaling. You can adhere them directly to a layout and then pop your journaling inside. And this one here is a white one that's sort of shaped like a tag, and it says it's up to you to see the beauty of every day. And then the last thing in this embellishment kit is a packet of ephemera, which is always one of the best things about embellishment kits, is the extra ephemera that you tend to get. Just helps to spread your kits even further, I find. And what I'm liking about this, from what I'm noticing right away, is these are minkable, but also that there's vellum pieces in here, and I just adore vellum. So there's some numbers and some vellum sort of tickets. They're just great for layering. Some labels, some tags, these beautiful florals that are part of this. Is it, what's this collection called? I've forgotten. It's not Wonderland, Emerson Lane, that's it. So some really gorgeous florals. They've got a beautiful sort of navy and soft pink with some pops of black. Just have fun. This one says family time. Lots of sketchy look florals as well. Wood grain is included. This looks like, oh, this is a great idea. So it's just saying here to leave the ephemera as it is, or you can run them through the mink to add foil effects. So it must be these ones in particular that will work with the mink, is what I'm guessing. I'm not sure. It would be interesting to test out which pieces, or whether it is the ones that are on this packaging. But there's some frames here. There's lots and lots of florals. Just gorgeous. So that is the embellishment kit. So now I'm going to do the main kit with you, and I think I will start with the papers and then I'll go through the embellishments. I always find that easier to do. So the first paper I'm showing you is, let's focus, from Kimberly Hutchison, and it's from that Home Sweet Home collection. It's called Oh Happy Day. It's a blue with a white leaf, and then it's got a navy gingham on the back. Then we have this beautiful Jen Hadfield paper. It's from the Homemade Along the Way collection. This one's called Sweet Sentiments, and I just adore some of the little bits and pieces on this one. This little teacup is so cute. These little leaf sort of designs that have the love you, love always, thanks, hello friend are gorgeous as well. And then it has this stunning text print on the back. So this is sort of more of a cream based paper with the typewritten sentiments all over it, if you can see there. Then I have a Heidi Swap Emerson Lane paper, which I've been seeing all over our Hip Kit group of people creating with this, and it's made me very envious and want to get stuck into this kit. And it's called Old School, and it is just stunning, as you can see. And then on this reverse side is this beautiful pink painted look paper. This is another one from the Jen Hadfield range. It's called Home Sweet Home. It's got just lots of houses on it. And then on this side is a green leaf design. So this one is very versatile and would be perfect for Christmas documenting if you are thinking that way already. Because we're in December, then that would be, yeah, a perfect one. This one here is One Canoe 2. It is from the Golden Rod collection. It's called Meadow Floral, so it's a floral design, and then it's got sort of this deep mustardy sort of stripe on the back. This next one is just gorgeous. It's an Emerson Lane paper. It's called Semi Sweet. It's this beautiful floral on a navy base, and then a green pattern on the back, so the striped look pattern, beautiful. Next we have another Jen Hadfield. This one's called Birdseed, and it's tinsy birds all over, facing either direction. And then on this side is just a cream base with black print. Then I have another Emerson Lane collection. This one's called Pretty Please. Sorry about the camera not focusing. I'm not sure why, to be honest. Is it coming? It's slowly. There we go. Oh my goodness, that took a bit. It is called Pretty Please, and it is a beautiful floral, stunning floral. Fussy cutting galore can be done with this one. I think it lends itself to it. And then this very funky sort of print on the back with those really bold stripes. And lastly, this is our last pattern paper. It's called Parkway. It is from the Jen Hadfield collection. Really nice green design, and then on the back this floral. So they're the papers. And then embellishments, we have some exclusives with our embellishments for this kit. Might zoom you in just a little bit. So these have been getting a real workout on layouts I've seen as well. My bits and pieces are falling today. These are designed by Kimberly as well, and they are a acetate die cut. So just a whole pile of leaf designs. There are a heap here. It doesn't say how many exactly, but there are lots of them. That's Jack playing at the door, if you can hear that. So there's leaves, acorns, lots and lots of different designs there. Lots of pieces. Acetate can be one of those ones that is hard to decide how to adhere to the page. it's not as fragile as vellum. Acetate's a real sturdy material, and if you adhere or apply a little bit of liquid glue sort of behind where there's a solid colour, sometimes you'll find that you can't really see it. If you're layering, it's a lot easier because you could sort of adhere or add some glue behind a part that's going to be layered on top of. Stapling is another great way of adhering acetate because it just adds that detailed effect, and it will secure it as well. Then we have some wood veneer pieces. These are designed by Kim Watson. They are exclusive for Hip Kit, and there are just lots of nice leaf designs, words. They've got a gold foiling to some of these, which is really nice. You can see that sort of catching my lights in here if I move it like this. So there's those. Then we have these Heidi Swap stickers. So these are from the Emerson Lane collection as well. I adore this floral. They've got the different prints within, and then a whole sheet of labels on the back, which is just awesome as well. Then we have these thickers, which I'm thinking are from, they will be either from Jen Hadfield or One Canoe 2, but I'm not sure which one. And they're a foil foam letter sticker. Thanks, my friend, home, family, love, pretty, hello, congrats, beauty, smile, happy. Very versatile sorts of sentiments. And lastly is some exclusive puffy alphabet stickers. They're a really nice blue that sort of match perfectly with the rest of the kit, all capitals. There's some uppercase letters, and I should show you as well just quickly before I finish up this share and start creating with these kits, just the colours within the cardstock kit. So there's a sort of a soft pink, a navy, a grey, a coral, a white and a mustard. Really lovely palette for cardstock. For me, I tend to use cardstock to either frame layouts or have as my base, so it's nice to have a really great palette to choose from. You can see from just some of the embellishments that I'm picking out that these colours work perfectly with the embellishments. So I'm looking forward to getting started and sharing some creating with you. So I'll see you all soon, everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already, and if you're enjoying these videos, and I'll be back soon. Bye.